Yes. First and foremost, I'm going to say shout out to God for another day living and breathing. I thank God for you. I'm going to be with you real brief. I just want to say thank you for liking, disliking, commenting, favoriting, sharing, and not sharing. I thank the ones that put it on their wall and give it to their friends, but I also thank the ones that don't do it, because I don't know what you're going through and I don't know how hard it may be out there for you. But I do thanks the ones that reached out to me and sent me messages and saying that the music lyrics have helped them. And but I just want to be clear with it and say all glory goes out to God. He's putting it all together, putting us in position. And I just thank God for you guys for sticking with me, because I used to way back do the other music that I can't even stand now. But we're going to stay strong in this, stand firm in our faith. And, you know, I'm just asking that you try it. If you don't like it, you could always go back and do what you do. You know, I can't force you to do anything, because God don't force us to do anything. So, you know, I have no right. But, you know, give it a try. That's all I'm saying. And but what you can expect on the album that's dropping November 11th, 2012, IB Music, is that all in your face gap rap, no sugarcoating, no watered down, none of that. That's not how we're gonna do it. It's gonna be free worldwide. And you know, like I said, I appreciate everyone that supported, everybody that bought the Midwest Address. Shots banging. Oh, there's a gun range over there. That's why you hear that little pop pop in the background. But and I thank God for y'all. And new video dropping really soon, Lord willing. Look out for it. Lord help me. Thank you. Oh, I forgot. I want to shout out to IB Music, IB Kids, T-Po, the whole family, Jada, Malcolm, Mia, all y'all, Jordan, Tyson, Isaiah. Thank you all. I know y'all listening to the Midwest Address real heavy, but here comes the new edition, and I hope you guys like it too. And let me know. Thank God for everybody. ESPN signing out. The Bears won.